In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT to structure your learning journey in a personalized and efficient way. So, let's dive right in and get the most out of this powerful tool. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head on over to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's an easy process to sign up and get started. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a chat box in front of you. This is where the magic happens. Think of something you'd like to learn or a skill you're eager to develop. For the purpose of this exercise, let's say you want to learn the basics of Photoshop in just 1 week. Type your learning goal into the chat box. This step is crucial because delineating a clear learning objective sets the course for the next steps. Once you've entered your goal, it's time to ask ChatGPT to break that goal down into manageable steps. In our example, request the AI to create a 7-day learning plan complete with daily exercises. This will help keep you organized and focused, making your learning process smooth and structured. As you go through the material, there might be concepts or topics that seem complex or confusing. Here, ChatGPT can clarify these concepts. For instance, if you're having a hard time understanding layers in Photoshop, ask ChatGPT to explain them to you as if you were 12 years old. This approach can simplify the material, making it more digestible and easier to grasp. It's important not just to understand, but also to apply what you've learned. Engage with practice prompts that relate to your topic. Practice is where theory meets application, and it's crucial in reinforcing your knowledge. For more active learning, use ChatGPT to quiz you, for example, on the top 10 shortcuts in Photoshop. Quizzing is a fantastic way to test your retention and recall ability. If you're someone who benefits from a more structured or guided approach, consider asking ChatGPT to act as your coach or tutor. You could say, "Pretend you're my teacher and give me a daily assignment." This added layer of accountability can motivate you to stay on track and ensure that you're continuously making progress. Finally, remember that learning is an iterative process. Use follow-up prompts with ChatGPT to review, practice, and refine your understanding until you feel confident. This repetition will only strengthen your skills and bolster your knowledge. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize ChatGPT in your learning journey, making it not only productive but also enjoyable. So go ahead, set your goals, break them down, and start learning with your AI companion by your side.